Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 9 of Sales Course, where today we'll be talking about sending the quotation. So it's not just creating, right? We have to send it to the customer, get their consent, and complete the procedure. So today we'll be doing that. Come with me, let's learn together. So let's begin, guys. In this video, we'll be talking about how to send and manage the quotations, okay? So for that, I'm opening the sales, and you have a lot of quotations that are pre-created. Now that you know how to create a quotation, I'll just open one which is still in the status quotation. So this is the recent one that we have created, or if you want you can create one, okay, no problem. So I've opened an existing quotation and you can see the status of it is still in quotation itself. So to begin, open such a quotation, and what you have to do is you can simply see the details of the products over here. Now we have a problem here. It's not a problem actually. We have lack of the products over here. So what you can do is you can either update the quantity manually. See here you have the internal link of the product. Go to the internal link and you can check the on-hand quantity over here. So this is only for the product black and our product was white, right? So let's add the other product which is white, and I'm here adding 16 for this product as well. So right now we have both the variants in stock. Now let's go back to the sale order, and here you can see the color has changed to green, which denotes that the product is available for for the sale. So that's it. Now you can check everything including the expiration, you have the customer, the addresses, the payment terms and everything. So once you have checked everything including the customer details, okay, what else, the prices, the quantity, yeah, that's the other thing, the quantity, the taxes, the total amount, you have to make sure everything is accurate before you share it with the customer. So we have now created a quotation. Next step is to share it with the customer. Okay. So how to share it? To send this quotation directly to the customer, you can simply click on the send button. Okay. So Odoo automatically generates an email or an email template and attaches the quotation document. So this is the quotation document and this is the email that will be sent to the customer. So your quotation, the reference number is given, is ready for review. So this is how it looks like, and then simply click on send over here. So the quotation is in send state right now, and you can see a button has come which is active right now, which is confirm. Okay, so after sending the quotation to the customer, you can confirm it directly. Okay, so here we can see in the sending, you can actually see the recipient's email. I'll open a different one and show you. So here we have one for open word, and if you click on send, so we have a recurring plan in it, I guess. Let's choose a different one, no problem. Here we have one, and let me try to click on send. So what happens is that this is the email template, okay, that is created by Odoo. Okay, now here you can see the recipient email, the address. Okay, you can see the subject line over here, which is automatically generated. Did you type it? No, Odoo has generated it for you. You can customize. Now this is the message that Odoo is generating, and if you are willing to customize it, that's possible. You can customize it from here. If you want to add on any lines or edit anything inside the created message, you can do that. So this allows you to add a personal note or provide additional information to the customer. Isn't that interesting? Because before sending it to the customer, you are getting a view of what has been received by the customer. Okay, so after that, simply click on send and it will be sent. So you have to make sure, like, once everything looks good, you can click on send and the quotation is now delivered to the customer's email address. So after that, you can verify the quotation status So you can notice that the quotation status have changed to quotation send, and this helps the sales team to track which quotations have already been shared with the customer or not. So if you go back, the status have changed. Okay, this is quotation sent. Here you can see quotation sent. Okay, now if you want to print the quotation, if you open this, you have the option to print it. So click on print, and if in case if a customer requests for a PDF, okay, Odoo makes it easy. Like simply click the print button and select the quotation in order. So you can see this is what gets printed. Okay, so you can see the data over here. This is the PDF. This is simply the PDF. So you can print it like that, and you can even preview the generated PDF. Okay, you can, we've already seen it. The printing is also done. We have downloaded a copy, and a professional quotation document is automatically generated. And the document includes the details like, let's see what the details are. Okay, so let's open it. Yeah, so you can see it's downloaded over here. And here you have the details like the information of the company. See the company information, the customer details. You have the customer here, the product information, the quantity, the pricing, the taxes or the discount, whatever it is. You have the terms and conditions. Okay. And the payment terms is also given there. So this is how, a PDF that you send to the customer looks like. So that's great, right? Next, as I said before, professional quotation document is, just imagine all of these are automatically generated, guys. We don't have to create it manually. Okay. So that is how it looks like. And then if you want to take a look at how the, customer portal, how the quotation looks like in a customer portal. For that, you have this preview button. Click on the preview, and Odoo will provide a customer portal where the customers can view the quotations online. So that is the portal view. Now, you might be familiar with the customer portal, right? Now this is the customer portal view. This is how it looks like. So you have the reference number, the product, the quantity, everything. So simply click on the preview. We can see exactly what the customer will see. This is just a preview of the customers. And the customer portal, as you can see, displays the quotation in a clean and user-friendly format. You've already seen it, right? So they can, review the product details, the pricing information, the quotation tools directly from their browser. Depending on the company configuration, customers may also be able to accept the quotations and make the online payments. Okay, so that's how it works. Now, if you want to track the quotations, so we are right now inside the sales module. You have the quotations list view over here. So managing these quotations will become easier with Odoo's tracking features. Like from the quotation list, you can quickly identify the draft ones, the sent ones, or the ones that are sale orders and all. So this actually helps the representatives, to identify it faster. So let's drag it. You can now see it's adjustable. The UI is adjustable. So you can see all the statuses over here, out of which the representative can easily identify which is the quotation, which are the quotations sent, which one is a sale order and all such things. And we have one more thing, another important thing, which is the filter and search option. So right now it shows my quotation. So Odoo is providing this filtering and grouping option, and so you can, filter the quotation based on status, the salesperson. If you click on this, you can see, you can group it based on salesperson, customer, the order date, payment method, referrer, and all such things. And even you have the filters. This is group by, and here you have the filters. So from here, you can filter the quotations alone. See, only the quotations are here right now. Or if you want the sale order, I'm just removing this quotation. So it only shows the sale order. So based on what your need is, you can filter it over here. And this makes it easy to locate specific quotations and manage sales activities efficiently. Now, if you want you know, sale order with this reference number. See, only that will be displayed over here. And if you want to see the sale orders of all others, not only yours, then you can simply remove the default filter, which is my quotation. Okay. So it's that simple. That's all about sending the quotation. So that's it, guys. I hope you understood what this video is all about. So that's how easily you can send and manage the quotations. I hope that was clear for you all. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.